right, y'all, I'm gonna get right into it. We're gonna talk about this awesome trade that we took live inside the academy, and I'm gonna show you exactly what we did so you can do it too. Make sure you have a pen and paper because you already know note takers are money makers. And if you can do me a quick favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere down here and go ahead and give me a like on this video. Help this video get to 1,000 likes. You already know how YouTube does. All right, y'all, SPY is my boo. Okay, love me some SPY. And with that, you have to mark some critical levels. Okay, y'all, so one of the critical levels that I mark on a daily basis without fail and put it inside the group fresh every morning is going to be pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. My pre-market high for me and my purposes are these dotted yellow lines, and then all the other levels are the solid yellow lines. The red line, if you know me, you know I'm an ORB girl, so I love me some ORB indicator. So that is the red is going to be the ORB low, which is the low of the first 15 minutes, and the green is the ORB high, which is the high of the first 15 minutes. Okay, so with that being said, on this day, news came out, right? There was news in the market at 8:30. And with that news, this was the recent job numbers, right? And with that news, the market pushed up in pre-market. But the real thing with myself and my husband, Mike, is that we have a pre-market meeting and we analyze the charts and we make sure we're prepared for what the market might do and, make sure that all our friends in the academy are aware of what might happen. So Coach Mike went on early in the day, and I'm going to show you a clip of that, and he warned the group to say, hey, we know that price has had a hard time at this 697 level here. So be mindful that, hey, they may fake us out and push like it's going to be out the gate a call situation, a bullish market, or a bullish trend happening out the gate. So don't fall for that. We ain't gonna fall for the okie doke. We are aware, right?
All right, y'all, just real quick breakdown why we want to get on a little earlier. I know that y'all see that the pre-market went up, right? Great news, whatever the case may be. But look, I just want to bring it to your attention. So let's not jump the gun. So pre-market had an amazing move, and look where it stopped at. We're just looking at the market. It did this before on Thursday. Look what happened. Right in the same area, it got smacked down. It tried to shoot back up in this area again on Monday. Tuesday, it got smacked down. Yesterday, this is the high and got smacked down. Please, please, please. I'm not saying buy puts. This is a very, very, very critical area, and we have to take our time. Same thing with QQQ, right? So I know we just got some great news, whatever has this market going, but don't let these people manipulate you and think it's just going to go straight to the moon. It can, but what we need is a break, retest of that level. That becomes support and up. Do not chase a quick move up. Then you get caught up in here, and then it dumps all day, and then you're like, oh man, the market got me. Make sense? So it's the same strategy. Let's take our time. Let's position size correctly. Let's not let the news make us make a decision just because we see, oh, it has to go up. It doesn't work that way. All right, so let's get it, y'all.
So guess what it did, y'all? After the pre-market prep that we had, this is what happened. With that, y'all, the market opened and we got exactly like the greenest, strongest candle out the gate, the 930 candle, and it went straight to the level that Coach Mike calls out. And after that, the meanest rejection down. Now, y'all, we did not get caught up in the push up because we were already prepared to be aware of the fake out. And we also did not prematurely just jump into puts just because we still have to see what the market tells us. The market is telling you a story and you need to believe it. You cannot have your own bias coming in the market and letting them, deciding what the market wants to do. The market's going to tell you, and then you trade accordingly. So with that being said, y'all, we got a nice push to the downside, but it didn't just drop instantly. It made a pullback and we got the ORB formed. So once we got a break of the ORB here, right? Once we got a break of the ORB here, we got a flag formed, okay? And with that, I love a flag. We love to get into a flag. We like to get in on the bottom side of the flag, and our stop loss is simply on the opposite side. In this case, it's like the opposite side of the ORB. Now, once we got this beautiful push to the downside, I had a level here, right? I had a level here to take profit. So you know what I like to teach, take off 50% of the trade to make sure that you are getting paid for the work you've done thus far. Okay, so not a bad little profit target there from 695 down to 693. Now, after that, we have less risk in the trade, but we still have contracts to continue in the move if the move decides to do so. And guess what? It actually did. It gave another awesome move all the way down to pre-market low. Look at that, right? Look at that. Perfect. That is pre-market low. Look at where it had the reaction, right? It had this pullback here. Now, if you are one of those where you're like, I may have missed my entry, no worries. If this is a really trendy move, there may be other entries. And in this case, another flag formed right here. Okay, so you're simply enter on the bottom of that flag and stop loss is simply on the opposite side. And look, another awesome move to the downside. This trade was beautiful, done live with some pre-market prep that was super valuable. Some folks on YouTube was like, because I did like a short review of this, and they were like, how did you know? Hey, we teach levels inside the academy, right? We actually teach you how to analyze the charts because we are technical traders. All we do is look at what price has done, make an informed decision of what it may do, and trade accordingly. You do not have to guess. I think that's the beauty of having an actual strategy that is something that has been back tested, is that you do not have to guess anymore and feel like you're lost or you're just throwing money in the market hoping for it to stick. We don't hope. I always say hope is not a position. I hope you enjoyed and what we did here. Having awesome pre-market prep, having awesome coaches, shout out to you, Coach Mike, having our critical levels marked so we know where to take profit, and also understanding that price may react to certain areas, but knowing what to do and how to execute is the key to getting to profitability or the next level as a trader. So my friends, like I was saying, if you ever want to trade with us live, we trade live every day. My husband and I, we're on there live from 9:30 a.m. Eastern every day, Monday through Friday. 2 coaches. You get to see our screen live. You hear our real voices. Yes, it's really us every day. And we're teaching you in the real time. Like, we're actually teaching you how to trade, how to do this thing. Go ahead and comment the word trade down below or simply click the link in my description if you want to do that. But if you are saying, hey, Tanisha, you throwing around these vocabulary words is cool and all, but I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know the first thing about this thing called trading, but it seems interesting. I got something for you. The mini mentorship is perfect for you. It's inside of the academy. It's already included. Go ahead and click the link in my description and you will gain access to that automatically. For sticking around through this whole video and learning something new, I have a treat for you. Go ahead and use the promo code YouTube30, you know, the word YouTube 30, to get 30% off your first month's membership as a special thank you for, you know, tapping in. I appreciate you. And if you have not done so yet, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe button. Oh, last thing, y'all. If you work during the day and you're like, the only time I have available is at nighttime, we also have futures. Futures trades starting at 7 p.m. Eastern. So if you're more like a night owl or, you know, that works better for your schedule, futures is also a part of the academy. It's included in the membership, and you can also use the 30% off YouTube 30 to get access to the academy with Coach Jordan. Okay. All right. If you have any other questions or comments, go ahead and comment down below. I love reading my comments and, you know, chatting back with you. And I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year.